To enter a position in the market, there are several crucial aspects that need to be considered. These aspects include trend, momentum, and points to place both buy and sell orders. This video will discuss a 5-minute gold scalping strategy. However, you can also apply this trading strategy for daily or swing trading. Moreover, this trading strategy is versatile and can be used in various markets such as Forex, crypto, stocks, and futures. Don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. In general, many traders use 3 indicators to assess these conditions. For example, trend analysis. To identify the market trend, traders commonly use a moving average. This could be an exponential moving average, simple moving average, or others. Momentum analysis. To gauge market momentum, you can employ the squeeze momentum indicator. Order placement. As a determinant for placing orders in the market, the stochastic oscillator can be utilized. These indicators play crucial roles in helping traders make informed decisions by providing insights into the market trend, momentum, and suitable entry points for buying or selling orders. Certainly, determining precise entry points can be challenging. However, the indicator discussed in this video is designed to simplify the process by summarizing all the requirements for entering the market. The indicator highlighted in this video is b-xtrender. As mentioned earlier, this indicator serves 3 primary functions: guiding the trend, measuring momentum, and acting as a guide for executing buy and sell orders in the market. This video will discuss 2 ways to place market orders, so make sure not to miss it. To use the b-xtrender indicator, you need to access TradingView. Go to the Indicator Search tab, type in b-xtrender, and select b-xtrender from Quanttherapy. Now, let's delve into the functions of this indicator. One, b-xtrender oscillator histogram. The b-xtrender oscillator histogram serves to gauge market momentum. If the b-xtrender oscillator histogram is bright green, it indicates a robust bullish momentum. Conversely, if the histogram is dark green, it suggests that the bullish momentum is starting to weaken. On the other hand, if the b-xtrender oscillator histogram is bright red, it signals a strong bearish momentum. If the histogram is dark red, it implies that the bearish momentum has weakened. It's important to observe the color variations as they provide insights into the strength or weakening of both bullish and bearish market trends. 2. B-xtrender color. The b-xtrender color serves as a guide for placing buy and sell orders in the market. This color indicator is combined with green and red dots. When the b-xtrender color is green and accompanied by green dots, it signals an opportunity to place a buy order. Conversely, if the b-xtrender color is red and accompanied by red dots, it indicates a signal to place a sell order. This color coordination, along with the corresponding dots, provides a clear visual cue for making entry decisions in the market: green for buying and red for selling. 3. B-xtrender trend histogram. The b-xtrender trend histogram serves as a trend guide in the market, complemented by the b-xtrender line. To enhance clarity, adjust the opacity of both the b-xtrender histogram and line according to your preference. When the b-xtrender histogram is positioned at the upper level, it indicates a bullish trend. Simultaneously, the b-xtrender line provides detailed guidance on the trend movement. A strong bullish trend is confirmed when the b-xtrender histogram is green and positioned at the upper level, while the b-xtrender line is also green. However, if the color of the b-xtrender line changes from green to red, it signals a corrective phase in the trend. The same principles apply to bearish trends. A robust bearish trend is identified when the b-xtrender histogram is red and situated at the lower level, with the b-xtrender line also being red. Nevertheless, if the color of the b-xtrender line shifts from red to green, it indicates a corrective phase in the bearish trend. As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 ways to enter trades in this trading system. However, before we proceed, let's introduce one more indicator that will serve as a trend filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in CMEMA trendBars, then select CMEMA trendBars from Chrismoody. Afterward, access the indicator settings, in the Input tab, uncheck the box for Show EMA Trend, and then click OK. For utilizing CM-EMA trend bars, you only need to observe the color of the formed candlesticks. If a candlestick is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, if the candlestick is red, it signifies a bearish trend. Since this video will focus on the 5-minute gold market, set the pair to XAU/USD with a 5-minute time frame. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this trading strategy. As mentioned earlier, we will provide you with two alternatives for order placement, namely aggressive entry and safety entry. A. Aggressive entry. If you prefer an aggressive approach in entering the market, follow these steps for a buy entry. 1. If the candlestick is green, focus on initiating a buy entry. 2. Ensure that the b-xtrender trend histogram is at the upper level and green. 3. Confirm that the b-xtrender oscillator is also green. 4. Wait for the b-xtrender color to turn green, accompanied by the appearance of a green dot. 5. If all conditions are met, execute a buy entry after the bullish candlestick is closed. 6. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing low. 7. Utilize a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. If you wish to enter a sell position aggressively, follow these steps. 1. If the candlestick is red, focus on initiating a sell entry. 2. Ensure that the b-xtrender trend histogram is at the lower level and red. 3. Confirm that the b-xtrender oscillator is also red. 4. Wait for the b-xtrender color to turn red, accompanied by the appearance of a red dot. 5. If all conditions are met, execute a sell entry after the bearish candlestick is closed. 6. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing high. 7. Utilize a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. B. Safety entry. If you are a cautious and safety-minded trader, follow these steps for a conservative buy entry. 1. If the candlestick is green, focus on initiating a buy entry. 2. Ensure that the b-xtrender trend histogram is at the upper level and green. 3. Confirm that the b-xtrender oscillator is also green. 4. Wait for the b-xtrender color to turn green, accompanied by the appearance of a green dot. However, ensure that the green dot is positioned at the lower level or below the neutral line. 5. If all conditions are met, execute a buy entry after the bullish candlestick is closed. 6. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing low. 7. Utilize a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Sell order. 1. If the candlestick is red, focus on initiating a sell entry. 2. Ensure that the b-xtrender trend histogram is at the lower level and red. 3. Confirm that the b-xtrender oscillator is also red. 4. Wait for the b-xtrender color to turn red, accompanied by the appearance of a red dot. However, ensure that the red dot is positioned at the upper level or above the neutral line. 5. If all conditions are met, execute a sell entry after the bearish candlestick is closed. 6. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing high. 7. Utilize a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. It would be advisable for you to conduct a backtest first to ensure the accuracy of the data regarding this 5-minute gold scalping strategy. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in the next one.